Okay, I just picked up this Yardworks 20 volt max brushless pruner. I got a lot of pruning to do before the end of the year, and I don't want to have my shoulders and biceps hurting because, as I said, I have a lot. I'll show you that in a different video. It's got cutting capacity up to 13, 16, and or 3 centimeters. Chrome coated steel blades, so for corrosion and wear resistance. And it supposedly comes with a battery and battery charger. 3-year limited warranty. And this is what the box looks like here on the sides. Let me look at the back. Okay. So anyways, this is an unboxing. And we'll open up and see what's in there. And let you make a decision as to if you might actually like this product. I don't know if I like it yet. I'll see when I go outside and start pruning. Okay, so I just opened her up, and let's see what's in here. You got, looks like the power supply here for charging the battery. Well, I guess this is the battery. And this is the unit itself right here. Okay. And you also get some kind of tool here. We'll see what the story is there. And this looks like the owner's manual right here. And some battery details, I guess, with that thing. So I'm going to take all this out of the plastic. I bought this at, I'm in Canada, so I bought this at a Canadian Tire. I paid $179, about $180 for this. So we'll get it out of the plastic and let you see what it's doing, and we'll go from there. Okay, so to get a better look here, out of the little plastic baggies, this is your power source right here to charge the battery. This is the unit here. I just took this off here, and this is what this was the blade protector right there. And you got this little tool here and a little hex key right here as well too. So let me kind of show you how things work. I'll show you how to put this together here to charge the battery. And before we charge the battery, I'll see if there's any kind of juice in here. That we can maybe show you how the blades work and so on. So that's what it looks like without the little baggies on each little item. Okay, so right out of the box, let's find out if it has any kind of juice. So here's the bottom of the pruner itself, and that's the battery there. I'm doing this with one hand, so you just slide this like so. And this here's your button to engage and lock right there, so it's locked in. This tells you if the battery has any juice, and right here is your on and off button. So let's do that, put it on. So it does have a little bit of juice, and let me see here what it's telling me. It's got a little bit of juice. Let's find out if it's what's the story here. So there's no it's just a straightforward so you have to be very, very careful with this particular one here, because it doesn't have like an emergency shut off or anything like that. It's just a simple actually it seems like you would have to look at that. Okay, I thought I heard a little beep to start at the very beginning, but yeah, so this is just straightforward. So you got to be real careful when you're pruning and not to get your finger anywhere near here, because there's no stop. Once it starts, that's it. Let's see if I start halfway and release before, it's just to say you got your finger kind of shut in there or something. Nope. Once you engage that, whatever is in front of there gets chopped. End of story. Case closed. So out of the box, it did have some juice in the battery. Okay, and this is a power button telling me it's on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off right now. Oh, I think you have to press down a bit more. Okay, so press. stuck in there. So it's not a simple click and off, whatever, you have to press down. Let's start it up again and see. You gotta wait for the double beep. Okay. I think that's it for the battery. So I gotta go charge the battery up. So to charge the battery up, I'm gonna be using this. So let me just take one more shot here and see if I hold on this. Nope, the battery's dead. It had two more little chops left in it. Okay, so one more look around so you can see what's doing. Okay, and I'll show you how to charge the battery. Okay, to remove the unit from the battery, this little button right here, you press down and slide out, and it pops out like so. And to charge the battery, we will be taking this unit right here and sliding this right in here like so. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, there we go, it's in. And I'll plug it in and show you all the little, maybe light indicators that tell you what's going on. So we're going to charge the battery now. But the battery from the box, I got two snips to show you, and it died, but it has to be recharged. It hasn't. This is my first time charging it, and I'll let you know what how long it takes for a totally dead battery to charge with the time. Okay, so the battery is charged. It took about 3 hours from absolutely dead to full charge. As you can see, that the indicator light stops blinking there but stays on. But all the way here where the battery is, the LED light comes off completely. These lights keep blinking back and forth when it's charging. So this comes off when it's fully charged, and that stops blinking, and that's how you know everything's up to snuff. So I'll get to the next part of this video. Okay, so I bought the pruner to prune all this. I'll let it get away. It's my backyard, and even over here, all that has to come down. So I'll probably show you that in another video. Right now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so we're going to put it on. So to put it on, you press the button right here and listen for the two beeps, and click this once, and a green light is right there that comes on saying you're ready to go. So let's do some clipping and see what's doing. Okay, so let's give it the first clip. It's a small branch, like butter. Okay, and the next one, a little bit bigger, right here, like butter. Oh, and the big branch in here, let's get her in there. It's a big one, like butter. Oh my. So as you can see, this cuts through here pretty good. Look at that. No hesitation. Let's see if we can find something else. Maybe a little bigger. I want to get a couple of pieces of wood that are a little bit harder, but all these branches here tend to be about the same size. But let's give another shot here. This is a small one right here. Okay, I missed the first time, that's why. And so as you can see, this like butter. Okay, I want to see if I can find a thicker branch maybe somewhere, and let you see. Okay, so I got a couple of dowels here, these babies, and they're a little harder than the average branch, so we're going to try and see what's doing. So this one here, the first one here, let's see if it goes right through. Get in there. like butter, and this is a much thicker one. And let's see what we got going on here. This is a biggie, like butter. So anyways, I'm very impressed with this. I got a lot of pruning to do. I will do that in a different video to show you how long the battery lasts and how long it took to get all this down, and even down there. So anyways, I'm going to end it here. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more vids when I get a chance. So, the Yardworks Brushless Pruner.